Okay, this is Devin's recipe for mushroom chicken. I have about 2 pounds of cut up chicken thighs, Lipton onion soup mix, cream of mushroom soup, and the pressure cooker. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, here we go. Super simple. Lipton onion soup, cream of mushroom soup. Let's put the chicken in the pressure cooker. There we go. And then this is the cream of mushroom with Lipton onion soup mix. I think it's always good to mix it up a little bit. But then when you put it in with the chicken, you're probably going to mix it up a little bit too. So, here we go. Simple so far. So when you do chicken in the pressure cooker, it's usually done in like 15 or 20 minutes when you do, you know, like I did regular, like I don't do the whole chicken thigh, but, and then you mix up the chicken with the thing. So 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, chicken is usually done. But I always tell everybody that it's easier to put it in for a few minutes more than to uncook it if you overcook it. So, okay. So we're gonna cover this up. Make sure it's mixed well. And then you line up these 2 arrows and you lock it in, and then you lock this down, and it's ready to go in the microwave. And we'll be back in like 20-25 minutes when the done cooking and the pressure is done. Okay. I always like to point out when it comes out of the microwave and the pressure is up, do not open it until that goes down. Okay, now that the pressure has gone all the way down, we can open it. Always open it away from you because it is a lot of steam. A lot of steam. Oh, I think it looks pretty good. And stir it up. And we eat everything over rice. So we will be putting this over the rice. What do you think? Does it look good? I'm gonna try it. I think it looks good. Okay, thanks for watching. I love the gravy all over the rice. If you're in Hawaii, you know you gotta have rice with gravy. Okay, thank you.